Welcome back to the channel, PFX here. I know many of us make use of TradingView for analysis, for charting, for everything. And most of us, majority of us use the free versions, yeah? And we miss out on tools like the instant replay and other things. So in today's video, what I want to do for you guys is show you a little trick on how you can still run your analysis on TradingView. Some tips and tricks you can use to run your analysis on the free version without missing too much. It's a bit stressful, but if you can get the paid version, even if it's the smallest subscription, one of the smallest subscription, you can get that one. So let's head straight into the video. Okay, now that we have a clean chart here, the first thing you want to do is select your time frame. Yeah, of course you already have your strategy you want to use, but it's to select our time frame. Like this, I'm using the 4-hour time frame, the time frame you want to backtest on. Now the strategy I want to backtest is going to be a simple breakout strategy here. So the next step is to get this tool here. That's the rectangle tool. If you can't find it, you go to the menu on the left. You see it there, you see the rectangle here. Then you have your rectangle tool. You enlarge it. Let it take the whole screen. Yeah. Just increase the opacity to 100. Increase the opacity to 100. You drag it out. Then on your chart, you just zoom out to wherever you want to start charting from. Then you just keep dragging the rectangle tool to wherever point you want to start backtesting from. So let's say I want to start backtesting from way back here to this point here. So now next thing you do is, as you can see, you might have a little bit of this you see the silhouette of the chart is still showing a bit here, but there's nothing you can do. You just have to manage. You can trick your mind to doing it here. So now the advantage of this is that once you click on this your box, or let's zoom in, this is where we are currently on the market. Yeah, you click on the box, it hides that. So okay, so once it hides that, you take your tools and you start running your analysis as you would normally do. Done that, taking this, I have okay, so at this point I have my resistance, so I'm waiting for my strategy I'm using right now is to wait for a break of this resistance to take buys. Yeah, so what I'll do is click on the box from wherever I start to. Then as you can see on the keyboard, as I move, it moves by a single candle. If I move once, it moves by a single candle like this. I move 1 2 3 and back 1 2 3. Yeah, so that's how you do it. Just like how in the instant replay it prints a single candle. So this way now we can just use that. It's once the candle is exhausted, we can draw back again, pick. Now at this point we can see that we're having a breakout here. If that's your strategy, you take your risk to reward tool for a long, you place it there wherever you want to put your stop loss and your take profit of a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. You click back on it and you keep playing it out, so you see how your strategy performs in that case. In this case now it has hit your stop loss. Yeah, so you keep going. Remember, you always have to click back on the box. That way you can make it faster if you want, but this is just to make it easier for you to see. Yeah, so you get to another place. Now at this point we have a resistance and another support here. At this point, we have another resistance and support here. Now let's replay. We've marked out our resistance and our support. Same thing, you arrow tool, you play, print the next candle. This is a doji. We're not taking a buy yet. And another, this is now a break, a clean break. You take your risk to reward tool, you place it, put it where you would have put your stop loss, whether here or wherever you put your stop loss. You click back on the black box and you play it forward. In this case, we actually hit TP. So that's how you keep on reproducing it. I hope this helps somebody. It's not the best, it's not quite easy, it's a bit taxing, but it's just a way of improvising here. If you can, as much as possible, get the paid version of TradingView, so you don't have to go through all this stress. But in the meantime, you don't have any excuse. You can still run your analysis. You can still run your back testing here of your strategies. Just this way, it just takes a little more time and a little more focus. Hope this video helps. Thanks. See you in the next video.